That is probably a key mistake that people will make. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Shantel, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to start a YouTube channel. Now I know there's a lot of people who are struggling to start a YouTube channel for multiple different reasons, so today I'm going to help you to build that confidence to start a channel, and hopefully this video will be helpful for you and you will start your channel as soon as possible. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so first of all, the first thing that you're going to need to start a YouTube channel is some type of camera. Now I know that cameras can be expensive and people don't always have enough money to buy a camera. The camera that I got cost me about £130. These are your two options. Borrow a camera off of your friend. Now obviously you can do this once quarantine is over, not right now, please. You can also film on your phone. And if you've got like an iPhone, even if you don't have an iPhone, if you have a Samsung, you can film on your phone but use the back camera, because the back camera usually has better quality than the front camera. If you would like to use the camera that I am using, I'm going to leave that linked in the description box down below. So after you've got your camera out of the way, you're going to need an editing software. The editing software that I use is called Premiere Pro, and basically it is around £16 per month, and I get to use all the apps and softwares that come with Adobe, such as Photoshop, which I use to make my thumbnails. However, if you do not have the money to spend on editing softwares, I'm sure there are a bunch of free softwares, and I am going to find some for you, and I will link them down in the description bar down below, because I know that, you know, sometimes money is a factor that can hinder you from starting a YouTube channel. So once you've got your camera and your editing software, you are going to need to think about what content you want to put onto your channel. Now for me in particular, I'm a small YouTuber, so the good thing about being a small YouTuber is you can play around with the type of content that you want to put out and see what people like, what they don't like, because you haven't really found your niche yet. But once you find an area that you think, okay, people like it when I do hair tutorials, or people like it when I do makeup tutorials, then you'll probably want to stick to that in order for you to, you know, please your subscribers. So you're going to want to find a niche, and I'd suggest you get a piece of paper and write down what type of things you like doing, and then just basically start to put out content depending on that. And also in terms of the content that you're going to want to put out, you might want to look at other YouTubers who have more following than you and look at the type of content that they are putting out, and then perhaps put out similar content. But you also have to remember to be yourself, guys. This is a really big thing on YouTube, because sometimes some people will go onto YouTube and they just won't be the same as they are in real life. So you want to be yourself, and you want to make sure that you're not doing too much on YouTube. Like me personally, when I first started YouTube, I watched a few videos that were telling me that, oh, you need to be extra, you need to be this. And so like, if you look back at a few of my videos, I'll even insert some here. Friend morphs into this different person. I don't know why I was talking about people morphing, because it looks like the only one doing the morphing was me. I was just doing way too much, in my personal opinion, and I feel like starting a YouTube channel, you just need to be yourself and tone it down and just don't do too much. I feel like now I'm just obviously being who I am, and if people like it, they don't. If they don't like it, they don't, but that's what the subscribe button is for. If people like your channel, they're gonna subscribe to you. Another thing that I would tell you to do is to put out content that is of value to people. There's no point of you putting out content that is just like vlogs and all of this when you first start your channel, unless you are someone who is very popular and people will watch that content, because more likely than not, people are not going to want to watch that. They're going to be more likely to watch something that's helping them, such as a how-to video. A further way you can also get more subscribers is to also promote yourself on Twitter, promote yourself on other social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and people who might not have seen your video otherwise will be able to see your video. So in terms of being confident on YouTube, something that I would suggest that you do is before posting, you just film yourself. Always look into the camera lens, otherwise it's just going to look like you're talking to, I don't know who, just not talking to the camera, not talking to your subscribers basically. So make sure that you are always looking into the camera lens, and I would suggest basically just practicing, just practice, like just talk to the camera, talk to the camera, talk to the camera until you feel confident and comfortable enough to put a video out. That's what I did. Like I made a couple of videos before I actually posted my first ever YouTube video, and I just had to get comfortable talking and talking, because you're basically talking, you feel like you're talking to no one. And another tip that I would would give you is a tip that one of my mentors gave me, and this was basically to put a picture onto or next to the camera lens so that you feel like you are talking to someone even if you know you're not, and that will probably help you to feel more comfortable. And personally for me, I like to film when I am by myself, unless I'm with like someone that I like or someone that I just feel comfortable around. But some people might find it easier to film with a bunch of people. If you feel that you feel more comfortable filming with other people around you, then try to film in those environments, because that will make your video come across more natural basically. You need to be wary of a lot of different things as well. For example, I'm sure you've probably heard of this before, but if you haven't, do not use music that is copyrighted in your music video, because it means that once you monetize your channel, you will not be able to make money from that. And also it means that YouTube sometimes will get rid of any audio in your video because the music does not belong to you. There is a bunch of non-copyrighted music that I'm going to leave in the description bar down below that you can use, and there will be no problems if you use that. But just do not use popular songs or anything unless you know that they're not going to be copyrighted. That is probably a key mistake that people will make in the beginning. Another thing I would like to tell you is that if you're going to be starting a YouTube channel, make sure that you are doing content that you like. It has to be content that you like to do. If you're filming only to please other people, you're going to end up just burning out and not wanting to film anymore, because if you like dancing but other people want you to put out singing videos and all you're ever doing is singing and you never get to showcase your dancing, you're just not going to want to post. Another tip is that you shouldn't worry about what other people are going to have to say about your YouTube channel, because at the end of the day, people are always going to have something to say about anything that you do, so that shouldn't be something that makes you not want to start the channel. Once you start your channel, watch a bunch of videos on how to do certain things, such as how to make a header, how to edit your videos. This is going to help you so much because it will help your videos to have such a higher quality even if you've just started your YouTube channel. So I'd suggest doing research on how to edit, doing research on how to film, good camera angles, blah blah blah, you know, all that good stuff. Research all of that before actually filming your first video so that you will have a good foundation basically. So that is my key advice for you guys on how to start a YouTube channel. I hope that this has been helpful for you guys, and if you would like for me to make any more videos that are similar to this, that would give you more tips on how to be more confident on camera or just different tips like that, then just let me know down in the comment section down below and I will assist you guys with that. Please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!